In the heart of Bonham, Texas, there stands a home that's seen the turning of centuries and heard the echoes of a distant drum. Built in 1872 by William Brownlee, who was a young drummer boy during the Civil War and returned to Bonham to build a legacy, the Brownlee home is a true piece of Texas history. From its enduring architecture to its timeless charm, welcome to the Brownlee home.
Whether you're drawn to the rich past or dreaming of a future here,
or you simply appreciate a home that tells a story,
give us a call for a private showing.